baking soda and honey, remedy that destroys even the most severe disease. You need only 3 teaspoons of this remarkable combination a day. It will help you regain your strength and health, and treat the most severe diseases like cancer. Although the combination of baking soda and maple syrup, or honey, may appear a bit odd to you, as cancer cells have been proved to feed on sugar, in this case, the function of the sugar is different. Namely, cancer cells will not benefit from the sugar in this combination, as baking soda serves to neutralize them. The function of honey or maple syrup is to affect cancer cells in a different way. They consume 15 times more glucose compared to healthy cells. In this way, the sodium bicarbonate will be easily absorbed and will effectively destroy cancer cells. Ingredients: baking soda, maple syrup or honey. Method of preparation: combine baking soda with maple syrup, or honey, in ration 1 to 3. Cook the mixture over low heat for 10 minutes. Use: you should consume a tablespoon of this mixture 3 times a day, half an hour before meals, for a month. Furthermore, note that it is recommended that you avoid white flour, sugar and meat during the therapy. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe.